In this example, a particle is projected at angle theta is equal to pi by 3. When it reaches its maximum height, it collides with another particle having the same mass, and the collision is completely inelastic, so momentum will remain conserved. After that, both mass combinedly reaches at the ground. So find out the horizontal distance covered by the combined masses before touching the ground. So this distance we have to determine. Here this distance is r by 2. The velocity of a particle along the x is u cos theta, and it collides with another particle having the velocity u. Okay, as the collision is completely inelastic, we can say momentum will remain conserved. So P initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So initial momentum is for this particle mass and its velocity is u cos theta plus this particle mass with velocity u is equal to, both masses will combine, so m plus m, and the velocity is say v. Here mu 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 mv. M cancel. U 1 plus cos 60 is 1 half is equal to 2v. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 u is equal to 2v. So v is equal to 3 by 4 u. This is the velocity. It performed the motion downward using this velocity. For distance, the general formula is velocity into time. So what is time of flight? It is root 2h by g, where h is maximum height. Now what is the formula of h max that we can directly write? It is u square sine square theta by 2g. Okay, now put both the value in this equation. So r is equal to, it comes with this velocity, so px is 3 by 4 u, and time of flight is 2 into h max by g. Maximum height is u square sine square theta by 2g multiplied by this g, so g square. Here 2 get cancelled. 3 by 4 u under root u square sine theta. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and its square, so it is 3 by 4, and this g square. U square will come out, so it will become u. So 3 by 4 u into this u, so u square root 3. 4 will come out, so it will become 2, and g square, so it is 2g. Now 3 root 3 u square, 4 2s are 8g. So horizontal distance covered by a particle is 3 root 3 u square by 8g. So option, I think this option is wrong. It must be 8g, right? So option A is the correct answer.